Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here with one of the official candidates of this year's Mr. Pampanga 2024. I'm here with Raven Lansangan. Hi, Raven.
Hello po, good afternoon.
All right, good afternoon. How are you right after this competition?
I feel confident and relief because after all the preparations, I think it's worth it for Samji.
And of course, syempre, you're not rookie in this pageantry.
Yes.
One of the advantage, of course, is your experience in pageantry since 2017.
Yeah.
And you won one of the titles.
Yes.
So, aside from this, what do you think is your advantage?
I think my advantage in this, aside from the experience, I think for embodying the true and Kapampangan culture and nature here in our Balen, which is Pampanga. And also, I think all of the experiences helps me a lot in this pageant.
So, syempre, magtatanong ang ating mga fans and
Yes.
supporters mo, um, what have you been doing prior of joining this competition?
Um, just like my hashtag earlier in the question and answer portion is sheer will, meaning I have all the will. First, starting in the weight management and also the diet, which is on the going to the gym, reading books, and also preparing myself spiritually.
For how long you been preparing for this before ka mag-decide to join the
Actually,
competition?
2 year, ay 2 weeks lang.
2 weeks.
I was just given a late notice because I last 2 weeks I'm 95 kilos and then right now I'm already at 83 kilos. So
Nice.
beyond the 2 weeks, I only eat chicken breast and egg whites.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what are your expectations for the first ever Mr. Pampanga?
I think all of my expectations are broken because it is high over the ceiling from it comes to the candidate, the organizers, and also the management itself. So, sobrang ganda. Sobra.
Do you feel pressure ba? Kasi you
Sobra.
won the national title and you competed international, di ba?
Sobra yung pressure ko, especially dun sa mga ano, na nagsasabi na sumali ka na ng international, why did you choose to join again in national pageant here in Pampanga? Pero gusto ko lang na kasi yung opportunities na mag-open up after this because of the Mr. Pampanga, yun lang yung gusto kong mangyari and first ever Mr. Pampanga.
If given a chance to win this competition, what inspiring story would you like to share to the other candidates?
I think my inspiring story that I can share to the others, especially for the youth. As for myself, last 4 years ago, I started this like parang superstition. Like I celebrate my birthday in the orphanage, especially for the children, because I think they for the abandoned children, because I think they deserve to be acknowledged and appreciated as well. So I celebrate my birthday together with them.
All right. Thank you so much,
Thank you, sir.
Raven,
Thank
and
you.
please invite your fans and supporters to support you.
Hi guys, please support us, all of us candidates, in the upcoming preliminary competition now on November 24.
And as well as the coronation night. So,
Yes, as well as the coronation night on December 5.
social media, where can they follow?
You can follow me at Instagram, raven.lansangan, and Facebook, Raven Renz Lansangan, and also from TikTok, I am RR.
Thank you so much, Raven, and best
Thank you,
of
sir.
luck.
Thank
It's
you,
nice to see you
bye.
again.
Thank you, sir.